His Excellency Philemon Young, Grand Chancellor of National Orders Cameroon and former Prime Minister of Cameroon, has been appointed the President of the 79th General Assembly of the United Nations. This is great honor to Cameroon as the country ascends higher heights in diplomacy for the resolution of the world's problems, particularly at this point in time when the world is traversing a precarious period from the unprecedented actions on the planet, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, the war in Ukraine, and series of conflicts in and around the planet. This appointment shall greatly catalyze and boost UN actions in Cameroon, particularly the 2030 Agenda and the Sustainable Development Goals, which constitute part of the National Development Strategy of Cameroon 2020-2030 that target making Cameroon an emerging nation by 2035. As actor and activist for the United Nations values, I'm calling on all Cameroonians to take maximum advantage of the privilege and attention accorded to them with this prestigious post of presidency of the 79th General Assembly of the United Nations to promote the values of the United Nations in Cameroon, which are centered on peace according to the United Nations Charter, together with the call of the United Nations for revitalized partnership, global solidarity, and multilateralism in attracting development partners to Cameroon to accompany Cameroon as the nation targets becoming an emerging nation by 2035.